it's always good to come back. I mean, you know, when you're young, whether you're in this school or a high school, you never really know what you want to be. I mean, when I was in high school, I chose art to do art. I didn't really stick with the sport. I never got to choose the football team. So it's nice to come back and try to inspire, even if it's just one or two pupils, to open their minds a bit more and just try loads of different things. So I left high school and then I just spent all my time practicing the freestyle football. So I practiced up to 5 hours a day sometimes, whether it was raining or sunny, whatever the weather, indoors, outdoors. And luckily it turned into a job along the way. So from a hobby into a job, and now I'm lucky enough to be able to do it all around the world, performing at different events, meeting loads of different people, and yeah, it's pretty much a dream job.